Fire is power and energy. But in just a fraction of a second, fire can become a devastating force. Fire protection is the primary goal for the safety of civil, industrial, and military installations. The most innovative Italian solution for fire prevention systems comes from a company based in Ancona. In just a couple of decades, the Eusebi Group developed from being a small private company to being the major player in the Italian market, and it is now a top international competitor. And now, together with another historical firefighting brand, Silvani, has become part of Valve Italia SPA Group. Eusebi Group has an established presence in Italy and in many countries worldwide, thanks to its subsidiaries. Quality, the environment, and technological innovation all combined in an independent operational framework. This is the group's philosophy. Major investment in scientific research and the training of personnel do the rest. Our customers can count on systems that are essentially made to order, perfectly adapted to their particular business activities, their environmental impact, and, above all, for the specific local, national, and international regulations for fire prevention systems. So, for each and every system, the Eusebi Group prepares exclusive designs that perfectly meet the structural and functional needs of the customer. We can sum it all up in a single word: turnkey. Concept, design, construction, installation, maintenance. We also provide an additional guarantee, which, for some customers, could be the most important: certification. From quality certification according to ISO 9001 to environmental certification according to ISO 14001 to security certification BS OHSAS 18001 to social accountability certification SA 8000 to NOS safety waivers for handling sensitive and military data. This certification is top secret.
Bisogna che giri.
Cioè traslà tutte quante le flange rispetto agli ugelli.
Product flexibility. The versatility to meet the needs of each individual customer is one of the fundamental values of the group. And the other departments in the group are based on this value. Starting with, on the absolute cutting edge, research and development. It is a necessary foundation for the future of the company. Other pillars of the company, given the dimensions of the group on national and international levels, are the technical sales and administration departments. Up to now, we've shown you an overview of the company and its operative strengths. Let's take a close look at a few of the top products made by Eusebi Group for a variety of our customers. From high and low pressure CO2 systems to inert gas and chemical gas systems and Novec 1230. as well as sprinkler and foam systems. One of the company's trademarks is the manufacture of wholly contained systems in self-standing cabinets and skid. And then there are the packages. Our pre-assembled systems are shipped on-site to more than 70 countries around the world. Here you see a container pumping station. Before delivery to the end customer, Eusebi technicians inspect all of our products. This is the latest innovative technology available from Eusebi Group. The high-pressure EI mist system. It is truly the company's triumph. It is a system with special nozzles that spray extremely small drops of water. It fights fire with a combination of 3 main effects: cooling action, inerting action, and shielding action. The system can be provided with a pump unit or in self-contained cylinders in cabinets. The high-pressure pumps operate between 100 and 120 bar. Cabinet systems are made up of nitrogen cylinders at 200 bar and distilled water cylinders. The EI mist systems are ecological as they minimize the damage caused by the extinguishing agent. They are safe for humans and can be installed in rooms housing delicate instruments like electric panels, CEDs, and transformers. High-pressure EI mist has been tested and certified in the SP labs in Sweden, where the system was subjected to the most stringent and complex tests. The system complies with the NFPA 750, IMO 913, A800, and IMO CIR 1165 fire protection standards. The system is approved by American Coast Guard, RENA, Lloyd's, Bureau Veritas. The tests were performed according to American FM standards. The nozzles were tested to American UL standards for applications in archives and electric cables. Tests were performed in conjunction with RENA Industry. Eusebi Group also designs and realizes the fire detection systems and control panels. These are the electronic heart and brain centers for the company's entire production. They are continuous control systems that detect the presence of fire and gas in a timely manner, and they control the automatic activation of the fire prevention system. The latest new product from Eusebi is X-Fire 360 Control Panel, an entirely made in Italy product. X-Fire is a modular programmable unit with a high and flexible interface capacity, extremely versatile and able to perform firefighting integrated functions, management of technological alarms, and serial management of various protocols. It can be configured according to the needs required by the specific security system, and it is easy to set up through Protection Program. The technical features of the panel, which guarantee a high reliability on the fire prevention and signalization, are redundant feeding up to 120 ampere, 2 redundant hot backup master CPU, substitutable without disconnecting the electrical power, hot swap, possibility of remote controlled maintenance, conformity to SIL3 requisites. X-Fire 360 is certified according to firefighting regulations EN 54 and EN 12094, specific for gas fire extinguishing systems, and to the EN 60079, regulating the apparatus for explosive gas atmospheres. The control panel is certified according to GOST regulations for the Russian market. Finally, it has been tested for seismic risks. Now, onto perhaps the most fascinating part of our presentation, the applications of the entire range of products made by the Eusebi Group. Let's start with industry. Many factories, warehouses, logistics centers, and industrial plants are already protected by Eusebi Group. Any offshore platforms, refineries, and pipelines. Ansaldo turbines, the Fiat Group, Ferrari paint booths, Renault in Moscow, New Holland, ThyssenKrupp, General Electric, especially their gas turbines. Eusebi Group systems protect most power plants in Italy and abroad. They are now present also in the nuclear power plant of Mochoce, Slovak Republic. Eusebi Group has a strong presence in civil and military maritime applications. Many passenger ships, cruise ships, and ferries, and numerous oil tankers that today sail the seas around the world are protected by Eusebi fire prevention systems. This includes the Italian shipbuilding colossus, Fincantieri. The group based in Ancona has extensive experience with military applications. Our systems are widely installed on the Italian naval fleet, as well as on other European fleets. And Eusebi Group systems also protects the tornadoes in the hangars of the Italian Air Force. Finally, there are applications in the civil sector, again designed to meet specific needs. Installations include airports, hotels, hospitals, skyscrapers, and shopping centers. Eusebi firefighting systems also protect Moscow TV Tower, electrical power plants of the Russian capital. Furthermore, the most important Russian steel plant, and the new headquarters of Regione Lombardia and Regione Piemonte. Eusebi Group has been protecting large oil fields throughout the world, from large refineries in the desert to the gas pipelines that wind through the mountains. They all require high-tech fire prevention systems that guarantee immediate operation when needed. An offshore oil platform is not only an enormous economic investment, it is the place where dozens of people live and work. The timely intervention of the fire prevention system, whenever needed, is of vital importance. The after-sales service that Eusebi offers guarantees this need. Eusebi Group is proud of its almost complete production independence, thanks to OML, who makes fire prevention valves and components, and CMV, who currently produces Eusebi cylinders. Fire and water, the universal battle of the power of water against fire. At the Eusebi Group, our mission is to offer our customers the most advanced instruments so that they can be sure of winning this battle at any time, under any conditions. These instruments are the fruit of highly refined technological research, completely independent production in all its phases, and certification to current regulations. The protection we provide reassures each of our customers that their individual needs are met.